Well, 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 look what we have on the chopping block today. What we have here is a Compaq EVO. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen many of these in my previous videos. And it's no surprise why I keep getting these things for repairs. I work for an elementary school where I donate computers to students who need them most and who can actually appreciate them. Older students in high schools just don't really appreciate Pentium 4s or Pentium 3s. But the younger students, though, they don't care what they're getting as long as they get a computer and they know it works. So, this is a computer that was from a different charity donation. It's called Computers for Schools. And they basically donated a lot of these computers. They even donated some laptops and sold some laptops. I think they sold a couple, no actually I think they gave away a couple laptops and sold the rest of them for $75 a piece. So each laptop that the school board got was $75, but the 4 laptops that were given away for free were free. So, but these machines here were donations for classrooms, though. They're not for the students. They are for the students to use, but not for them to take home and enjoy them. In my previous videos, I used a crappy Sanyo camera, and I repaired one of these. But since the video quality wasn't all that good, here's your chance to see how I fix this problem. It's a power button issue. So clearly it's not turning on. No matter how hard I push the button, that's as far as it can go. It won't turn on. And this has been a major problem with these computers, especially this tower, like this kind of form. They even have a desktop version which has the same problem. And it's an easy fix. You don't need to call any IT support. You don't have to do anything. You just do it yourself. But I'm going to show you guys how I do it now. I used to put my hand in there and push it in. But now I can just take the entire front cover off and show you guys how I do it. So, first I'm going to show you how to do it. You see those arrows? Those are the clips that hold the front of the case in. Basically what you do, you push. Well, we start with the bottom. Duh. You can see that the case is starting to, or the front bezel, or whatever you call it. The faceplate, that's what I should call it. The faceplate is starting to move itself away from the machine. There. And all you do is you open it and kind of pull it, and it opens like a book. Now, this is what the machine looks like. And you can clearly see how far back that button is. It's right there. And it won't even turn on when I'm pushing it with my pudgy finger. Now what happens is with these machines, especially the towers and the desktop versions, what happens is, over time, the more you keep pressing the on-off switch, it will eventually loosen itself up and get wedged right inside, where the user can no longer turn the machine on or off. And also, this has to do with the students. Mostly the students are to blame, because they push the damn button in so hard where you don't have to do it. It's supposed to be a gentle push, done. What they do is they go, like, they push it right in to the point where it breaks. luckily for these machines, the buttons don't break. None of the plastics do. But it pushes the button right out of its socket. They're held in by clips, but when they push too hard, they come right out of the clips. Not really effective, but they do help at some point. Now, you can see, probably if I zoom in, you see this white piece right here? You see how far it's poking out? Well, that's where the power switch is connected to. Now, what I do is I would put my finger in there, try to push it, but it doesn't work. That doesn't work either. So, all you have to do is just put your finger in that way, pop it back in, and there. That's how it's supposed to be sitting. It's not supposed to be all the way in. And now watch. Turns on. Boom. Before, it used to be sitting like that, where the user couldn't turn it on. I'll show you again. You just push. Always remember to push this top piece. One more time. I'm going to zoom in. With your finger on this one, you push. There. So now we put the cover back on. And it even has arrows to show you where they go for this side. Put it right in, and then close it up like a book. Done. You don't even need the monitor to see if it works or not. If it turns on, it works. So, that's it. And that music that's playing is from my sister next door. Don't get any quiet, but oh well. Anyway, that's how you fix a Compaq EVO. It's for the desktop and the tower versions. So, if you have any questions on how to do this, and I'm pretty sure you won't have questions because, you know, I even showed you in high quality HD video and how to push the button back in the easy way. So, thanks for watching, and I hope this repair is very helpful, and I'm glad I was able to film it in better quality. Thanks for watching.